Hey everyone, welcome back to MS Extra Tech. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to add your education info to your Facebook profile easily. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to like this video. So let's get started. So friends, first open Facebook app on your mobile. Then tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy. Now tap on the Settings menu. Now scroll down. Select Profile Details option and tap on it. Here it is. Now you can add your education info. You can add your university, even you can use your school and secondary school. Now I will add my education info. So I will tap on the secondary school section. Now I will type my secondary school name. Here it is, and now I will select it. Now I will select year. Finally, I will tap on the Save button. Please wait a second. That's it, and it's successfully done. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.